A reliable PS5 controller review helps gamers choose the best controller for comfort, precision, durability, responsiveness, and an enhanced gaming experience. My today's video is about top 5 best PS5 controllers review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at BetMe Wireless Controller for PS5. This PS5 controller is a feature-packed alternative for gamers who want versatility, precision, and customization without sacrificing performance. It supports PS5, PS5 Pro/Slim, Windows, Mac, Android, and Steam Deck, making it an excellent choice for players who game across multiple platforms. The Hall effect joysticks help eliminate stick drift, delivering smooth and accurate movement while offering a calibration function for long-term reliability. Customizable RGB lighting with multiple colors and dynamic effects adds a stylish touch to every gaming session. Programmable M1/M2 buttons and adjustable turbo modes provide a competitive advantage by enabling faster inputs and personalized controls. The built-in 6-axis gyro sensor enhances motion-based gameplay, while the integrated speaker and 3.5mm audio jack improve immersion and communication with compatible headsets. Initial USB pairing with the PS5 is required, and the controller remembers only the last connected device, so repairing may be needed after switching platforms. Overall, it's an impressive controller packed with premium gaming features at a competitive value. Now our second product is PlayStation DualSense Wireless Controller for PS5. The PS5 DualSense controller delivers one of the most immersive gaming experiences available, combining innovative technology with exceptional comfort. Its advanced haptic feedback creates realistic vibrations that let you feel everything from subtle environmental effects to powerful in-game impacts. Adaptive triggers add another layer of immersion by providing dynamic resistance that changes based on your actions, making driving, shooting, and sports games feel incredibly lifelike. The built-in microphone and dedicated mute button make voice communication quick and convenient, while the 3.5mm headset jack offers an easy option for private gaming and clearer team chat. Beyond the PlayStation 5, the controller offers excellent versatility, connecting effortlessly to Windows PCs, Macs, Android, and iOS devices through Bluetooth or the included USB Type-C cable. Its premium build quality, responsive controls, and broad compatibility make it an outstanding choice for gamers who want precision, comfort, and cutting-edge features across multiple gaming platforms. Our third product is PS5 Wireless Pro Controller for PS5. This PS5 compatible controller offers an impressive blend of performance, customization, and value for gamers who want more than a standard gamepad. Its vibrant RGB lighting features 8 colors and 4 customizable effects, giving your gaming setup a stylish, personalized look. Hall effect joysticks and triggers provide exceptional precision while eliminating stick drift, ensuring reliable performance and greater durability than traditional analog components. Dual vibration motors deliver immersive tactile feedback, while the turbo function enables rapid-fire inputs for competitive games. The built-in 6-axis motion controls offer smooth and responsive steering, aiming, and movement in supported titles. Programmable buttons let you create custom macros and shortcuts, and the textured anti-slip grips provide a secure, comfortable hold during extended gaming sessions. A large 1,500 mAh battery delivers up to 10 hours of continuous gameplay on a full charge, reducing interruptions. Combined with responsive customer support and software update availability, this controller is an excellent choice for players seeking premium features at an affordable price. Now number 4, Raiju V3 Pro Wireless Esports Controller. The Razer officially licensed PS5 Pro Controller is built for serious gamers who demand speed, precision, and tournament-level performance. Its symmetrical layout feels comfortable during long sessions, while low-latency wireless connectivity ensures responsive gameplay on both PS5 and PC. The magnetic TMR thumbsticks eliminate stick drift and provide exceptional accuracy for FPS, racing, and competitive titles. 6 fully remappable controls, including 4 removable back buttons and 2 claw grip bumpers, allow you to create a personalized setup for faster reactions and better control. Razer Pro Hyper Triggers let you instantly switch between quick mouse-click actuation for shooters and smooth analog input for racing or sports games. Mecha Tactile PBT buttons and the floating 8-way D-pad deliver crisp, satisfying feedback with every press. Extensive customization through the Razer mobile app or Synapse lets you adjust sensitivity, remap controls, and save multiple onboard profiles. Complete with a protective case and accessories, this controller is an outstanding investment for competitive and esports players. And our last choice is Game Wireless Controller for PS5. This PS5 compatible wireless controller combines durability, precision, and convenience to deliver an enjoyable gaming experience across a wide range of titles. Its Hall-effect joysticks are designed for long-lasting performance with up to 5 million cycles, providing accurate control while minimizing the risk of stick drift. Responsive linear triggers offer smooth input for racing, shooting, and action games, making every movement feel natural. Dual connectivity through Bluetooth 5.3 and USB-C ensures flexible gameplay, while compatibility with the original PS5 charging dock adds everyday convenience. The built-in 6-axis motion sensor enhances immersion with intuitive motion controls, and the colorful LED light bar provides player identification and useful status notifications. Adjustable dual vibration motors and turbo mode add excitement and responsiveness, especially during fast-paced gameplay. Helpful troubleshooting options, including a reset button and simple pairing process, make setup and maintenance straightforward. Overall, this controller delivers premium features, reliable performance, and excellent value for casual and competitive gamers alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.